So what are you making now?
Karang.
All right, so there's one, and then we'll come back when he makes the other one.
Make sure.
All right, make sure what? All right,
Same height.
brilliant.
Don't forget to put kind of sardines.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Perfect, okay. The sun finally came out. It's been a couple days since I've seen it.
Ready?
I'm ready. Be careful, bro. Hey, Muck! He's laughing at you.
Going to neighbors.
All right, let's go visit a Muck.
Yeah, visit him.
Be careful, bro.
Oh.
Be careful. When's the last time you've done this?
10 years.
10 years ago?
Yeah.
Wow.
Practice makes perfect.
Yeah, dude, you're getting good.
Mine. You're next.
Dude, you should walk around Toledo City like this. Next time we go into town, be careful, bro.
Take a relax.
Take a relax.
Gano'n na. Ah, ugang kayo doon. No. Oh, one try. Want to try, bro?
Maybe.
Oh, ugang kayo, oy. Ugang kayo. Katututong gamay ko.
Kuan, lapok mo god.
I think that leg isn't all the way straight. It's a little crooked.
Hindi, cut.
The ground is really soft right now. That's probably making it harder.
Yeah. Woo! Ha! Woo! Woo! Woo!
Ah, grabe.
Woo! Smile!
Is it tiring?
Take a nap here.
Does that hurt your feet?
Oh,
Look at that. Pretty cool.
yeah.
Nice. What do you think, Richie? Pretty cool?
Hard. Too hard.
Brilliant mine. Yeah, be careful, man. The ground is really soft.
Dako man!
Yeah.
I forgot how to use this one anymore.
Kaliwa.
Isa, Brad. Bugat man! Bugat.
No. Left. Right.
Alright! That's a left.
Oh. Right. Left. Oh. Oh.
I think it's hard if it's muddy.
Yeah.
I think I can do if there's no.
Yeah, the mud is kind of making it challenging.
And this one is heavy for me. Isa, Brad. Nangsa ko. Ay, isa ba? Nangsa ko. Oh, okay. Uno. Isa, Brad. Isa, Brad.
Oh, no.
Wait.
Go.
Ah. Isa.
Go.
Isa, Brad. Isa, Brad. This is heavy, wait.
1, 2, 3, go.
Brad!
Okay.
Pedro wants to try.
Go up there and
Iya ko na ko patry.
buy food. Go up there.
Yeah, can you go get me a snack?
Yeah.
Nas.
1,
Snack man ko plot.
1,
Uy, barag man yung usa.
2, 3, go.
Nice. Raymund.
Di ka kumain. There you go. Okay. Good.
Wait. Impang man naman, impang. Awa, ang isa na, isa wala.
Does that make it easier?
Bugat man good, bugat. Good job.
Go. Next one, like this.
Dustin, it's like riding a carabao.
I think I'd rather ride a carabao.
Timpang.
Okay, put your toes in between there.
Timpang lagi di odap. Tiang mo na.
My toes aren't that big.
Yeah.
Ah. Alright.
Ready? Hey,
Dude, this is impossible.
left,
My toes cannot fit through there.
It's okay,
Did you do
left.
that too, Richie?
Yeah.
Dagat eh.
My
left,
toes don't do that.
It's okay.
yeah, left,
Just open that.
Left.
lagi.
left.
Kata
1,
man ayo man.
I count 1 to 10.
No way.
1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10.
This
Left,
is impossible, dude.
left, left. Left. Hey, always left.
left.
Right, right, left, right.
Dude, this is a lot harder than it looks.
Yeah.
Timpang man. Yo.
My toes can't stretch like that.
Ayo.
Need,
Ay, go kaniya.
Tiang ha.
you need 1 week and 10 years to practice.
Yeah, this is. I'll practice on this. That's a lot harder than it looks.
Timpang galit.
Ni. Impang lagi na.
1, 2, 3.
Sus, yes. Sa ilang timpa di ko
Impang
mao.
isod, no?
Oo. Ay, gito timpa. Di ko mao. Wala!
Ten.
Hey!
Okay, Raymund.
Slowly!
On your marks.
Pagi.
Get set.
Okay. Go.
Go. Raymond, I think you cheat a little bit.
Tangan.
No, Richie. Oy!
Oh! The winner is Richie.
Okay, 1, 2,
Eh,
Three. go! Hey! Bye! Bye. Bye!
Wait, Brad.
Bye!
Raymond.
Bye! Bye! I'm here! Ay, naog na ako dre.
Kadaog lagi bugat.
Heavy.
Bugat.
Left,
Right, lagi na.
left,
Kanan, lagi na.
left.
Okay. Good job.
Na, pirmi. Pwede kang tumba. Na, pirmi.
Very good, Richie. All right, so Raymond just told me the secret why he's so good at this. So, want to say it again?
Yeah. Before, when I was in elementary,
Yeah, when you're in elementary.
yeah,
So that's young. How old is that?
maybe grade 5 or grade 6.
Okay, grade 5 or grade 6.
Yeah.
He used to walk on these things to school
Especially rainy season.
in the rainy season. Okay. Wow, that's a long walk with those.
Yeah, that's why.
So that's why you're
very
really
easy
good.
For me.
Yeah. It takes a lot of practice. I tried it, guys, and it's really hard.
Yeah.
If you guys want to try it and somehow post a video on YouTube, that'd be kind of cool. You can leave a link in your comments, and I like to see other people try it.
Francisca, want to try Karang?
Hey, you want to try this?
Lolo.
Masarap lagi na yung
Nice.